Fishy, 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 fishy. Ooh.
Barista just gave me a pitying look. Oh no, did the chick clear? Did she tell him my account would have withdrawn? Did I just buy a $35 cup of coffee? She's judging me behind her fabulous tortoiseshell frames. Stupid caffeine craving.
Other banks charge you a fee as soon as you overdraw. We're not other banks. Welcome to Astra's free checking with 24-hour
Tomorrow
grace
when
from
I get up
Huntington.
tomorrow, I'll start
If you
that first
overdraw,
package of
we
pasta
give you
right
time to make
away.
it right and avoid a fee.
Yeah.
Huntington, welcome.
Is that
2 a.m.
weird?
tonight at 11 on WWJ
You see-
TV.
If they ask me what I have for dinner tonight, I tell them fish.
Paris, all next week on The Late Late Show.
Where YouTube that?
Golf. I don't get it.
Where's the...
Mindless, absurd, repetitive activity. Very
The
good for
television
clearing
thing.
the mind. All these stalls here, mental washing machines.
Van Pal, what do we got? According to his driver's license, this is Mike and David. Right away from
This is one of your programs.
Quality television programming.
The Medalist, I never watched it.
You wanna eat the fish,
You know,
Max?
I never watched it either, but
Somebody grew
I
up.
bet
You
you
wanna eat
it'd be
the
good.
fish?
Let me just see what's on my buried alive. I'm not interested.
And his room is taken.
Oh.
Eat the fishy. Give him kisses.
These are
Give him
prisoners.
kisses.